Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your speaker Baseus VO20 to the application. So firstly we should pair this speaker with the phone. Open the settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and also if you have Android don't forget to click pair new device. After that press and hold this multifunctional button to turn on your speaker. And it automatically entered to pairing mode, so now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. Cool. Now hide the settings and open the application. Click Add Device. And it finds automatically the speaker, so now click on it and then click Add Device. OK. Hello, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!